You have to understand that time is ticking away, and we have to make some serious decisions and take great action. Yes? Will you do it? Will you make that decision? Guess what? If you don't make the decision, God can't do it for you. He already did all he was going to do. Jesus paid the price and said, "It is finished." That means everything you need and want is already here for you. It's here right now. It's just that you didn't see it yet. You're in the wrong company. You don't have the revelation. The Holy Spirit hasn't dealt with you strongly enough. Let me tell you, when the Holy Spirit comes to you and shows you hard things that even could seem painful, take it. Take it. Take it strongly. Take it. I mean, take it like a man. Take it like a real woman. And say, "God, I'm sorry. Help me now." Because there's always hope for tomorrow. But remember again, when you get tomorrow, you're going to rename it today. So yesterday is in the tomb. Tomorrow is in the womb. I only have today. Yes? Someone say the word now.